Here's a 500-word prompt script draft you can use as the narration for a 5-minute YouTube video on the topic, Why Mars Helicopters Are a Big Deal. YouTube video script, Why Mars Helicopters Are a Big Deal. Intro, 000030. Welcome back to your channel name, where we explore the wonders of space and the mysteries of our universe. Today, we're diving into one of the most groundbreaking innovations in planetary exploration. The Mars helicopter. You may have heard of NASA's Ingenuity, the little chopper that hitched a ride with the Perseverance rover. But why is this tiny helicopter such a big deal? Let's find out. Section 1. The challenge of flying on Mars. 030-130. Flying a helicopter on Earth is already a feat of engineering, but on Mars it's an almost impossible challenge. Here's why. The Martian atmosphere is about 100 times thinner than Earth's, meaning there's very little air for rotor blades to push against. Temperatures can plunge to -90 degrees Celsius at night, threatening to freeze delicate electronics. On top of that, Mars is nearly 300 million kilometers away, which means no pilot on Earth can control it in real time. Commands take minutes to reach the red planet, so the helicopter has to be lightweight, autonomous, and durable. Basically a robotic pioneer that flies on its own in one of the harshest environments imaginable. Section 2. Ingenuity. The first flight. 1:30 to 2:30. When NASA first tested Ingenuity in 2021, expectations were modest. The plan was just 5 short test flights to prove it could get off the ground. But Ingenuity completely surpassed expectations. It not only flew, it soared. From short hops to longer journeys, it has completed dozens of flights, scouting rocky terrain, capturing aerial images, and guiding the Perseverance rover to safe paths. This was history-making. The first powered, controlled flight on another planet. A moment as iconic as the Wright brothers' first flight on Earth. Section 3. Why this matters. 2:30-3:45. So, why is a small helicopter on Mars such a big deal? 1. New eyes in the sky. Rovers are slow and limited to ground-level views. A helicopter can scout from above, finding paths, obstacles, and scientifically interesting spots. 2. Expanding exploration. Future helicopters could reach areas that rovers simply can't. Cliffs, caves, and craters. 3. Efficiency. Instead of spending months navigating tricky terrain, a rover can be guided by aerial maps, saving time and resources. 4. Proof of technology. Ingenuity is just the beginning. Larger, more advanced drones could one day deliver supplies to astronauts, or even explore other worlds like Titan, Saturn's moon, which has a dense atmosphere perfect for flying. Section 4. The future of Martian flight. 3:45-4:30. NASA is already studying designs for future aerial explorers. Imagine fleets of drones working alongside rovers and astronauts, carrying instruments, mapping landscapes, and even helping build human habitats on Mars. The success of Ingenuity opens the door for all of this. Conclusion, 4:30 to 5. So, a tiny helicopter on Mars may seem small, but it's a giant leap for planetary exploration. It's proof that with creativity and determination, we can push the boundaries of what's possible. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your channel name for more cosmic stories. And tell us in the comments, where should the next space helicopter fly? This script is 500 words, and paced for a 5-minute narration with natural pauses, visuals, and animations. Do you want me to also create a visual storyboard, slide guide, what to show on screen at each timestamp? At